everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through an easy step-to-step process on how to close Paxful account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. If you want to close your Paxful account, the first thing to do is to open up a web browser and get logged into your Paxful account. Once you open up the web browser, into the URL box, type in www.paxful.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure to log into your account, and once you are logged in, click on your profile icon located at the upper right hand corner. This will open up an expanded menu. Click on settings, and from your account settings page, go to the left hand side of the screen and click on security. Scroll all the way down from this security page, and right where you can see closing account, it says that closing your user account will delete all of your information on Paxful, such as your past trades, transactions, etc. Click on the close account button and you'll receive a confirmation link sent to your email address. In the pop-up that asks you a reason why you are trying to close your account, click any one option. You can elaborate the situation if you want into the text box. Remember that you won't be able to verify a new Paxful account using the phone number that you are using right now in your Paxful, so click on this I understand box and click on send request. Click on got it. Now once you've done that, open up a new tab and verify your email address by going to your email service provider. Make sure to open up the same email that you used for your Paxful account, and in the inbox, click open the email that you received from Paxful. Click on close account and verify deleting your account, and that is how you can easily close your account for Paxful. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.